Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learn India 24/7. In the last video, we have discussed about basic concepts on value stream mapping. In this video, let's discuss and understand about few tips on value stream mapping, getting started with current state map, first and second view of current state map, and finally third view of current state map with material and information flow. So let's begin. Always collect current state information while you walk along. Begin with quick walk along the value stream. Begin mapping at customer end and then walk towards upstream. Always collect cycle time data on your own rather than using old cycle time data. Map the complete value stream by yourself. Always draw the map with pencil in hand. Few benefits of mapping with pencil in hand are: it is a quick way to map with pencil in hand. While you draw the current state map, you can think of further information needed. While you draw the map with pencil in hand, you will focus on understanding the flow rather than how to create it in computer. The objective of value stream mapping is not a map, but understanding the flow. By drawing pencil in hand, you would improve your mapping ability. To draw a current state map, get yourself a blank sheet of paper of size A3 and pencil to draw it along with us. Acme's product family to be mapped is stamped steel steering bracket. This component folds the steering column to the body of car and is produced in two variants, one for left-hand drive cars and other for right-hand drive cars. As there is no variation other than this, the product family is very narrow in this case. The boundaries of Acme's current state are the door-to-door flow of product through Acme's plant, including receipt of basic raw material, that is coil steel, till the shipment of completed bracket to Acme's customer, state assembly. Mapping starts with customer requirements. We will show customer's assembly plan with factory icon placed at top right portion on the map. Below the icon, we will draw the data box showing customer's requirement. In this case, customer need 18,400 steering brackets per month and it need same on daily basis. Customer operates its plant in two shifts and typically need 12,000 left-hand side steering brackets and 6,400 right-hand side steering bracket. Customer need 20 brackets in a tray and up to 10 trays on a pallet. Next step in mapping is to draw process box for basic production processes. Draw one process box to indicate particular area of material flow instead of drawing multiple process boxes for each sub-process in a particular material flow. Example, assembly process with several connected workstations in it would be drawn as one process box instead of drawing multiple process boxes for each workstation. But if workstations are disconnected and there is inventory accumulation in between them, draw a process box for each workstation. Similarly, if there are separate machining workstations in a plant with inventory accumulation in between, then each machining process will be shown with separate process box. Always draw material flow from left to right on bottom half of the map. In this case of Acme stamping, there are processes in steering bracket material flow. Unlike Acme stamping, many value streams will have multiple flows that merge together. Draw this flow one over the other, but don't draw all the flows if there are many. As you walk along the flow, you need to collect process data. The process data collected at this stage is important to decide the future state of VSM. Now let's understand about various process data collections at Acme stamping. Cycle time is the time required to process each part recorded in seconds. Changeover time is time required to change from one product to another. In this case of Acme stamping, changeover is required to change from left-hand drive bracket to right-hand. Number of people required to operate a process shown with operator icon. Available working time in shift recorded in seconds. Uptime is total available time minus break, meeting, cleanup and changeover. In VSM, it is advisable to use cycle time, takt time and available working time in terms of seconds. As you walk along the value stream, you will find various places of inventory accumulation. In VSM, we use a warning triangle icon to show the location and amount of inventory. At Acme stamping, there are raw material, work in progress and finished goods inventories. The observed amount of inventory is recorded below the triangle. Either so at first, at the right top portion of the map, we are showing customer factory icon. In this case, customer State Street Assembly below requirement of steering brackets. Specifically, customer has a requirement of 18,400 steering brackets, with 12,000 being left hand side steering bracket and 6,400 being right hand side steering bracket. Customer needed a tray of 20 pieces each and has a requirement in 2 shifts. Next, we will draw each of the process involved in Acme's steering bracket preparation with the process and process data box drawn below each process. And at Acme's last assembly workstation, steering brackets are taken to a staging area and staged as per shipping schedule. Steering brackets are delivered daily by truck to customer assembly plant. Here truck icon and broad arrow icon indicate movement of finished goods to customer. Here truck icon and broad arrow icon indicate movement of finished goods to customer. At the other end of the map, we will show the steel supplier with another factory icon. Again here, we are showing the same truck icon and broad arrow icon to show the movement of material from supplier to Acme's plant. Here in this case, the steel supplier shifts twice a week and the pack size is 500 feet coil steel. The supplier cannot deliver less than this size of shipment. Whereas at Acme Coil Steel, it is taken to steel storage area shown by inventory triangle. So in the next stage of value stream map, we will show information flow and push flow of material from one particular process of Acme stamping to another process. So next, customer State Street Assembly communicates the shipment requirement to production planning and control unit in Acme stamping unit. Here customer communicates the requirement of daily order and monthly, bi-monthly and quarterly forecast of requirement. Same way, production planning and control unit of Acme stamping plant communicates weekly and 6-week forecast to supplier Michigan Steel Company. Finally, we are adding timeline into the current state values where showing inventory accumulation in terms of number of days and processing time for each ACMEDS process in terms of seconds. At the end of timeline, we will show total production lead time in terms of days, and at the bottom we will show total processing time in terms of seconds. So friends, if you have liked this video, please subscribe to my channel. Press on bell icon to get latest update on new videos.